today. I am not big on gear. Making intriguing photographs of the people is mainly about creativity and ability to direct them and to tell a story that catches the interest of the viewers. However, some gear is necessary. I start out with an 8 megapixel Canon 350D 24-105 f4 kit lens. It works absolutely amazing. And I upgrade to a Canon 5D Mark III with a 24-70 2.8 lens. Nowadays, I use Nikon Z7 and a variety of lenses. 24-70 f4, Tamron 70-200 f2.8, and the Tamron 15-30 f2.8. I tend to use the normal zoom most of the times. It's really sharp, perfectly silent, and the focuses is quickly. I love my Z7. It feels great in my hands. It is lightweight and the color cyan is beautiful. However, you don't need an expensive camera to start out. Make sure to get a camera when you can easily change a picture, shutter speed, and ISO. And I find it very helpful to have viewfinder. It is recommended to be able to change lenses. A normal zoom like 24-70 will cover most of the people's needs when it comes to photographing people. And the light is everything in photography. So the cheapest and easiest way is to find the beautiful natural light. It can be done by using the window light, a pocket of light, which can be an opening in the building, or between tree and whatever. To get some direction to the light, I will make a separate video to use a pocket of lights. Sometimes the quality light is not great, then the artificial light is useful. I use both flash and continuous light. A continuous light is very easy to work with because you get what you see. My continuous light needs power outlet in the wall, and this is not always available on the locations. They are also not as powerful as flash. At the moment, my favorite go-to light is an godox AD600 flash, which is battery powered and portable. It is equipped with high-speed sync, which let me shoot in any shutter speed. I use a 38 octagonal softbox. For events, I sometimes use a speed light that I place in the horseshoe of my camera. Don't listen to the people who say that you have to use off the camera flash by directing the flash to white wall or even the roof. You can create beautiful light in most any situations. I also have a few sample background that I can set up anywhere. For editing, I use Lightroom, Photoshop, and Premiere Pro for edit video. Thank you for watching. I hope you get something from this video today. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my video. And yeah, give me some idea that anything that you guys like me to do for the next video or in the future for my photography and to show in this channel. So bye for now.